Small business owners, shop owners, entrepreneurs, consultants, contractors, restaurants, clinics, furniture companies and local service providers. Many customers prefer sending a WhatsApp message instead of making a phone call or filling out a long enquiry form. Explain that WhatsApp Business can help a company answer inquiries, share products, send quotations, provide customer support and build stronger customer relationships. 1. What WhatsApp Business is. 2. The difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. 3. How to download and set up the WhatsApp Business app. 4. How to choose the correct business phone number. How to create a complete business profile. 6. Adding the business name, description, category, address, website, email and opening hours. How to create a professional profile image using the company logo. 8. How to create a product or service catalog. 9. Adding product photographs, descriptions, prices and links. How to use greeting messages. 11. How to use away messages. How to create quick replies for frequently asked questions. How to organize customers using labels. Suggested labels such as new enquiry, quotation sent, follow-up, confirmed order, payment pending and completed. How to create a short WhatsApp link for customers. How to add WhatsApp buttons to a website, Google Business Profile, digital business card and social media pages. 17. How to use QR codes so customers can start a conversation quickly. 18. How to write professional WhatsApp messages. 19. How to respond to customer inquiries politely and clearly. How to share quotations, invoices, product photographs, catalogs and location details. How to use WhatsApp status for business updates, offers, new products and completed projects. 22. How to follow up with customers without sending excessive messages. 23. How to ask customers for reviews after completing a service. 24. How to protect customer privacy. 25. Why businesses should not send spam or add customers to groups without permission. 26. How to use two-step verification and account security. 27. Common WhatsApp business mistakes to avoid. How to measure whether WhatsApp inquiries are converting into sales. Include practical examples for furniture businesses, restaurants, clinics, consultants, contractors and local shops. Explain that businesses should reply promptly, use clear language, avoid sending too many promotional messages and keep customer information private. Do not promise guaranteed sales or instant business growth. Djeema Digital Marketing helps small businesses with professional website design, search engine optimization, Google Business Profile optimization, digital business cards and social media marketing. Visit djeema.com and subscribe for more practical digital marketing tutorials.